Welcome back. Now I am going to show you subtraction with regrouping, and we are going to use place value blocks for this one. We are going to draw our tens and ones chart. Okay, and we are only going to build 77, our first largest number. We're not going to build 58 because we are taking away 58, so we're going to build 77. There are 7 tens in 77. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and there are 7 ones in 77. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so now we're going to take away 58. We're going to look at the ones place because we want to take away 8 ones, and we see that we only have 7 ones. We can't take away a larger number of ones because we don't have it. It's not there to take away. We only have 7 and we need to take away 8. So what we do is we come over to the tens and we regroup a 10. This is what this actually means. So you have a 10 stick and it's made up of 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this is the same exact thing as one of these 10 sticks. That's what this represents, one of these. Okay, and so we can't take any ones out of here. They're all glued together. So what we do is we break it apart into 10 ones cubes, which is what we have here. So this 10 stick is now going to be regrouped into 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's the same thing. We have 10 over here and we have 10 over here, only now these are separated. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to give it an X. Okay? It's different than when you take it away. That's just a line. So we give it an X to show that that 10 is being regrouped. So we give it an X and we draw an arrow over to the ones place that shows that that 10 stick is being regrouped into 10 ones. So we're taking the 10 stick and we're just breaking it apart into 10 loose ones cubes. Okay, so we still have the same exact number. We're still starting with 77. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77. So now we can take away our 8 ones because now we have enough ones to take away. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we took away our ones. So now we're going to take away 5 tens because we're taking away 58. So now we're going to go over here and we're going to cross off 5 tens. We're going to cross them off with just one line so we can tell the difference. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we took away our 5 tens and our 8 ones, and now we're going to count up what we have left. We have 1 10 over here, and we have some ones over here. So we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So our answer is 19.